Okay, children, welcome back to our class again. We were studying about Sachin's learning the game. Ramesh Sachin Tendulkar. So last class, what were we doing? Do you remember? I have asked you to write some of the questions in your notebook. What were the questions? The system worked well apart from my pockets. Do you remember? What will be the answer? What was the system referred here by Sachin? What a system worked well? Or what was the problem? Or what was the system worked well? That means washing his clothes again, using it again, washing again. So what was the problem arised there? Pockets were still wet. So that was the problem. The system worked well. That means washing the clothes. Next, why was Sachin asked to change school? You know that? What was the name of the school? Sardar Vidya Mandir. There, what was the problem? Sardaram Vidya Mandir. There, Achrekar sir was the coach, and it has given, or that school gave more importance, or due importance to cricket. So the new Indian school where Sachin was studying now, so that school doesn't give more importance to cricket. So he was asked to change the school. Why was Sachin asked to? Why was asked? That means somebody asked Sachin to change school. Who asked Sachin to change school? Who asked? Coach Ramakant Achrekar sir. He asked Sachin and such his father asked him to change the school. Next, what was the condition laid down by Sachin's father for changing his school? On what condition? That his father gave permission. Father asked, okay, no problem, I will allow you. I am ready to change the school. But there is one condition. What is that? Sachin should take cricket as a serious, not as a recreation, or it is not an entertainment. It is a serious match, just like studying English, just like studying mathematics. It is a serious thing. നമ്മൾ സ്കൂളിലൊക്കെ ജസ്റ്റ് വെറുതെ പോയി പഠിക്കുമ്പോൾ അതിന് എത്രമാത്രം സീരിയസ് കൊടുക്കുന്നോ ആ ഒരു സീരിയസ്നെസ്, ദാറ്റ് സീരിയസ് മസ്റ്റ് ബി ഗിവൺ ടു ക്രിക്കറ്റ്, ദെൻ ഓൺലി ഹി വിൽ അലൗ Sachin to change the school. Understand? നിങ്ങളൊക്കെ അത്ര ഒരു സീരിയസോട് കൂടെയാണോ ഫുട്ബോൾ കളിക്കലൊക്കെ? നിങ്ങളൊരു എൻ്റർടൈൻമെൻറ്റ്, ഒരു ജസ്റ്റ് ഒരു വിനോദം. ദറ്റ് വാസ്, ആൻഡ് സച്ചിൻ വാസ്, ആൻഡ് you have found that what were the obstacles before him to play cricket, and what were the how much he worked hard. Okay, anyway, next there was a condition, and what did Sachin consider as a kind of safety valve? A safety valve. What was that? Question number 10 of page number 22. What? All Sachin's excess energies was channeled to cricket. That was the safety valve. Sachin's all energies channeled to cricket. Sachin, he was so fond of cricket. So all his efforts or all his energy, it was channeled to cricket. So it acted as a safety valve. Next, another question number 11. How did the 1 rupee coin? Do you remember the incident? 1 rupee coin, almost at the end of his training of every day, he was asked to bat for 15 minutes. There were a lot of fielders, 60 to 70 boys fielding, and he was asked to bat after putting a 1 rupee coin on the top of the stump as bails. You know what is bails? Yes, there is cricket, you are very interested game. And what about girls? Do you remember? Do you know bails? A small wooden piece. You just, if you want to see see tomorrow, you just watch any of the cricket game, you can see what is bail, or refer in the internet, you can see what bail. Okay, so instead of bails, what was put there? What was put there? A 1 rupee coin. 60 or 70 players were fielding. അവർക്കടി 60-70 ആളുകളൊക്കെ ഫീൽഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഈ 1 rupee കോയിൻ അത് സ്റ്റമ്പിൻ്റെ മുകളിൽ നിന്നും വീഴാതെ ടു സേവ് ദാറ്റ് 1 rupee കോയിൻ. ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ടാസ്ക്. അതിൽ വിജയിച്ചാൽ സോ Sachin become a good batsman. That's all. How did 1 rupee help? So this was the incident. You just repeat it there. Then what helped Sachin to build up physical and mental stamina? What helped? Physical and mental stamina. That means all through the summer holidays, the routine was repeated. What was the routine? Oh, Sachin's rigorous practice schedule. You know that. I am not going to explain it again. We have already explained it in the last class, so I am not spending time. Don't waste our time. So the rigorous training schedule is repeated all the summer days, and at the end of all, he was asked to run around the Shivaji Park, one full round. How? Pad അയച്ചേക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ? No. Pad and gloves and everything with him. And he was asked to. So this mentally and physically Sachin became strong. Okay. I hope it is clear for you. Now we are moving to the next part. What is it? Occasionally, next paragraph. I think you can see. Occasionally my father came to take me home, and I would always ask him to treat me a special fruit cocktail at a juice center near the club. While this regular demand was a little unreasonable, because at the time I did not realize that my parents also had to take care of the needs of my brothers and sisters, and my father would invariably end up giving me that what I wanted. So come back again. Occasionally my father would come to take me home, and I would always ask him to treat me a special cocktail, a fruit, that is the name of a fruit cocktail. He would ask his father, I want a cocktail, please father. So he would ask his father. When father came to take him, father free anengil, he will come and take him to the park. To whom? So at that time father, at first he was ready, he gave it. While this regular demand, whenever his father came to take him, what happens every day? What happens? He asks his father for the fruit, cocktail fruit. But that demand was unreasonable. Why? Because at that time I did not realize, but I cannot understand. I did not realize that my parents also had to take care of the needs of my brother and sister. Brother and sister ഒക്കെ വീട്ടിലുണ്ട്, അവർക്കും വാങ്ങി കൊടുക്കണല്ലോ, ശരിക്കും എനിക്ക് മാത്രം കിട്ടിയാൽ പോരല്ലോ. So it is unreasonable. What is unreasonable? Buying cocktail fruit only to Sachin is unreasonable. ക്രിക്കറ്റ് കളിക്കാരനാ വിചാരിച്ചിട്ട് അങ്ങനെ അവന് മാത്രം വാങ്ങി കൊടുക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. സോ ഒരു അച്ഛൻ്റെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് നിന്ന് ചിന്തിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് അൺറീസണബിൾ ടു ബൈ ഫ്രൂട്ട് ആൻഡ് ഗേവ് ഓൺലി ടു സച്ചിൻ. ബട്ട് ഐ ഡിഡൻറ്റ് റിയലൈസ് ദാറ്റ്. എനിക്കന്ന് അതൊന്നും അറിയില്ല. ഐ ഡോണ്ട് റിമെമ്പർ. ഐ ഡിഡൻറ്റ് റിയലൈസ് ദാറ്റ്. വാട്ട് ഈസ് മൈ റിക്വയർമെൻറ്റ്? ഐ വാണ്ട് എ കോക്ടെയിൽ. സോ അവിടെ മറ്റൊരുക്ക് കിട്ടിയോ ഇല്ല എന്നുള്ളത് ദറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് മൈ സബ്ജക്റ്റ്. ബട്ട് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് അൺറീസണബിൾ. യുക്തിരഹിതമാണത്, അൺറീസണബിൾ. എനിവേ മൈ ഫാദർ വുഡ് ഇൻവാരിയബിളി എൻഡ് അപ്പ്. സോ ഇൻവാരിയബിളി ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ഓൾവേസ്. 1-2 പ്രാവശ്യമൊക്കെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇടയ്ക്കൊക്കെ വാങ്ങിക്കൊടുത്ത്, ബട്ട് ഹി സ്റ്റോപ്പ്ഡ് ഇറ്റ്. ഗിവ് അപ്പ്, ഗിവിങ് മീ വാട്ട് ഐ വാണ്ടഡ്. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് എൻഡ് അപ്പ് ഗിവിങ് മീ വാട്ട് ഐ വാണ്ടഡ്. വാട്ട് ഐ വാണ്ടഡ് ഹി സ്റ്റോപ്പ്ഡ് ഇറ്റ്. എൻഡ് ജസ്റ്റ് ടു സീ മീ ഹാപ്പി. എന്നെ സന്തോഷിപ്പിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി മാത്രം ഹി ആസ്ക്ഡ് സംതിങ്. But he stopped it. On other days, when I made my way home from Shivaji Park on my own, I would often fall asleep on the bus if I managed to get a seat. Okay, so this request, it was denied by my father. What request was denied by father? Or what did he stop? That means buying fruit cocktail to him. Why it was denied? Because it is unreasonable. Okay, if I managed to get a seat, I would sleep. That was from Shivaji Park. On other days when I made my way home from, that means when father was not coming to take him, so I would go on bus. So do you remember the journey of the bus? Do you remember that? With his, and the conductor asked him, do you remember? Okay. It was still a challenge to stand with the leg. If I managed to sit down, I would fall asleep. Anyone who has been on Mumbai bus at peak hours will know just how difficult it was to get a seat. If you have ever traveled in Mumbai bus, you know that at that time it is very, very difficult to get a seat. But if I managed to get a seat, sometimes I will go asleep. On days when I wasn't so lucky, it was still a challenge. If I am lucky, I would get a seat. If I am not unlucky, was not lucky, what will happen? I wasn't so lucky. It was still a challenge to stand in the kit bag. Just to stand in the kit bag. With that, my kit bag. So what was inside the kit bag? What was inside? His pad and everything. What are the cricket a batsman should require? He needs a bat, he needs pads too on leg, then hand here some pad, and gloves and abdomen pad. So a lot of things. So that all these things were put in a kit and he has to carry it. So it was a challenge to travel just to stand with me kit bag, because the bus conductors would inevitably complain. That means he would always complain me. What was complain? About taking up the space of another passenger. Oh, this boy. Chala bus conductor mari, do you remember? All of you are coming to school bus. Most of you are coming to school bus. So you may not have suffered such a problem, but you may have seen some students, they are carrying their bag. Always there is a complaint from the conductors that I have seen such incidents. What will they say? They will say that ഒരു ബാഗ് അതാക്കിൻ്റെ ഒരു ബാഗ് രണ്ടാൾക്കുള്ള സ്ഥലം ബാഗിന് തന്നെ വേണം. So in this way the same complaint, there was a complaint about the conductor, space of another passenger. ഒരാളുടെ സ്ഥലത്തേക്ക് ബാഗ് തന്നെ വേണം. And it could be embarrassing because the conductors were often rude, impolite, മര്യാദ അല്ലാതൊക്കെ സംസാരിക്കും, rude, and would sometimes ask me to buy 2 tickets. 2 ടിക്കറ്റ് പൈസ തരണം ജോക്ക ഇതിൽ പോരണമെങ്കിൽ. To buy 2 tickets, some conductors will ask. I didn't have the money for a second ticket and I had to learn to take these remarks in my stride. Stride means with walk with long step, that is stride എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ വാക്ക്. എൻ്റെ ഈ പ്രയാസപ്പെട്ട നടത്തത്തിൽ ഇറ്റ് വാസ് എൻ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ഫോർ മീ. എംബ്രേസിങ് ആയിരുന്നു എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഒരു ഷെയിം ആയിരുന്നു അല്ലെ, ആളുകൾക്കിടയിലൊക്കെ ഈ വലിയ ബാഗൊക്കെ ആയിട്ട് 2 ടിക്കറ്റ് എടുത്ത് പോകണമെന്നൊക്കെ, അല്ലെ അലാക്കിൻ്റെ കിറ്റും ബാഗും. സോ ദറ്റ് വാസ് ദ പ്രോബ്ലം. ഡർട്ടി ക്ലോത്ത്സ് ഓഫൺ ആഡഡ് ടു ദ എംബറാസ്മെൻറ്റ്. ഈ പ്രശ്നത്തിന് ഡർട്ടി ക്ലോത്ത്സ്, I have been a dirty clothes was there. Okay, added. With time I evolved my wrapping the kit bag around. With time I evolved a way of wrapping the WRAPPING. That means covering kit bag around me, just as the helmet and pads become a part of me while batting. So I have the helmet and pad with me. So the kit bag became an extension of me on the bus. So it was an extension. That means it was an extension, in addition with this batting. So the kit bag became an extension to me in the bus. I would often take the bus or train from Bandra to Churchgate, and it was all a great learning experience. So Sachin says that these journeys, all experience. It was a great learning experience. The journey in the bus. Do you understand? So the journey in the bus. So if father doesn't come to take him, so at that time what will he will travel in the bus. And what was the difficulty? Sometimes he will get a seat. If he managed to get a seat, the problem, no problem is there. There is no problem. But if he didn't get the seat, standing, that is a crowded bus with a large and heavy kit bag, his helmet, bat, pad, etc. So Sachin now remember that it was really a learning experience. Even though I loved cricket, there were still occasional days when playing with my friends at home, I would conveniently forget I was supposed to go to the nets. So even though I loved cricket, I love cricket very much, there were still occasional days when playing with my friends at home was such fun. But I feel it is very fun. I hope it is very fun to play with. I am practicing cricket. Actually, it is learning the game. Do you remember the story? Name of the story, learning a game. Learning a game and playing a game is different. Even though he was a player who was learning cricket, but he still enjoys playing game with his friends. It is a fun. So at that time, I would conveniently forget. Sometimes, some days, I would conveniently forget. ഞാൻ മനഃപൂർവ്വം അങ്ങോട്ട് മറക്കും. Conveniently, സൗകര്യപൂർവ്വം. So, I would forget that I was supposed to go to the nets. To the nets means for the practice in the nets. Netsile practice I would forget conveniently. If I didn't turn up, T-U, it's a very important word. Turn up, the meaning is arrive. Phrasal verb, do you remember? I gave you a list of phrasal verbs. I hope you have written already in your notebook. So if such a word is not there, you have to add turn up, arrive. If I didn't arrive there, if I didn't reach there, Acharekar sir would jump up on his scooter. Sir, he jump up his scooter, he jump up on his scooter and come to find me. Sir would spot me in the melee and virtually drag me out. So from that group, there was a group of boys who were playing cricket on the. It was a fun for him. Learning the game is very difficult, but playing a game is fun, no doubt. The problem. So what did he do? Acharekar sir would come and find him, virtually drag me out from this group, and I would come up with excuses. At that time, sir, some excuses. I will say some excuses. Sir, ചെറിയൊരു തലവേദന പോലെ തോന്നിയപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ അങ്ങനെ excuses ഒക്കെ പറഞ്ഞു നോക്കും. But he would have none of it. No. He said, he would get me to change and head off to the Shivaji Park. No excuses. In front of Acharekar sir, there is no excuses. No, he will not allow any type of excuses. Come with me. On the drive, he would tell me, don't waste your time. Scooter he would say, don't waste your time playing inane games with these kids. ഈ കൊച്ചു കുട്ടികളെ കൂടെ ഇനേൻ ഗെയിംസ്, ഈ സില്ലി ഗെയിംസ് കളിക്കാനുള്ളതല്ല നിൻ്റെ ജീവിതം. ബട്ട് ക്രിക്കറ്റ് ഈസ് വെയിറ്റിംഗ് ഫോർ യു അറ്റ് ദ നെറ്റ്സ്. നെറ്റിലാണ് നിന്നെ കാത്തിരിക്കുന്ന കളി. പ്രാക്ടീസ് ഹാർഡ് ആൻഡ് സീ വാട്ട് മാജിക് ക്യാൻ ട്രാൻസ്പയർ. സോ യു ഷുഡ് ഡു ദാറ്റ്. വാട്ട് മാജിക്, യു ക്യാൻ സീ ദ മാജിക്. സോ you practice hard. At that time, I hated being dragged off, but as I look back, at that time when I was taken, enna valichu kondovumbo, I hate it at that time. But as I look back, when I look back, now Sachin is writing his autobiography. At that time, he says that Now I feel sheepish about my actions and can only admire Achrekar sir's far-sightedness. Achrekar sir far-sightedness. ഇപ്പോൾ ആലോചിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഐ ഫീൽ, ദറ്റ് മീൻസ് ഐ ഫീൽ ഷീപ്പിഷ്, എനിക്ക് ആകെക്കൂടെ ഒരു തരം ഷീപ്പിഷ്, ഒരു തരം ലജ്ജ പോലെ തോന്നുകയാണ്. അബൌട്ട് മൈ ആക്ഷൻസ് ആൻഡ് ക്യാൻ ഓൺലി അഡ്മയർ, എനിക്കിപ്പോൾ അഡ്മയർ ചെയ്യാനാവും ഫാർ സൈറ്റഡ്നെസ് ഓഫ് ആച്ചരേക്കർ സാർ. അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ വാട്ട് ഈസ് ഫാർ സൈറ്റഡ്നെസ്? ദൂരക്കാഴ്ച. അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ദൂരക്കാഴ്ചയിൽ ഞാനിപ്പോൾ അയാളെ അഭിമാനം കൊള്ളുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അയാളെ ആരാധിക്കുന്നതിന് തുല്യമാണെന്ന് അർത്ഥം. അഡ്മയർ, ഞാനത് അത്രയും ഇതായിട്ടാണ് കിടക്കുന്നത്. At that time it was difficult for me. Okay, now next paragraph, one more the last paragraph, please listen. Question number page number 25. Sir also punished me on one occasion when trying to teach me a very important lesson. Achrekar sir punished him. So even when Sachin played cricket, coach punished him. So if you didn't study English, if you didn't study English, what should the teacher do? No doubt should punish. Okay, whenever we see in person, you can expect such punishment from me also. Okay, sir also punished me on one occasion when trying to teach me a very important, when I was trying to teach me an important lesson, he was teaching me at that time. Once I scooted, രക്ഷപ്പെട്ടു. Evening practice to watch the inter-school cricket match. Where did I go? Inter-school cricket match was there, so I went there. അവിടെ ഒരു മാച്ച് നടക്കുന്നുണ്ട്, അപ്പോൾ അത് കാണാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഐ വെൻറ്റ്, ബങ്കഡ്, സ്കൂട്ടഡ്. Not anticipating that I didn't, not as anticipating, without expecting that sir would be there. I didn't expect that Achrekar sir will not be there. Achrekar sir will be there. അങ്ങനെ ഞാൻ പ്രതീക്ഷിച്ചില്ല. But I went there. He was angry and said, it wasn't for me to come and watch other people play for. He said, Sachin, you are not a spectator. നീ ഒരു കാഴ്ചക്കാരനല്ല, കളി കാണേണ്ടവനല്ല നീ. He was angry and said, it wasn't for me to come and watch other people play for. If I practiced hard enough, Sachin, if you practice well, one day people from across the world would come and watch me play. So what words are there? Achrekar sarda വാക്കുകളൊന്ന് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. It's very, if I practice hard enough, one day people from across the world, people will watch you play. Watch you, that your play. നീ കളിക്കുന്നത്, watch me play, watch you play. നീ കളിക്കുന്നത് കാണും ലോകം മുഴുവൻ, അല്ലാതെ മറ്റുള്ളവർ കളിക്കുന്നത് കാണേണ്ട ആളല്ല നീ. So that was the thing. Had it not been for sir, I would not be the cricketer I turned out to be. How I turned out to be. ഞാനിപ്പോൾ എന്തായിത്തീർന്നോ, and it is really fully responsible for this. Coach Achrekar sir. Had not been for sir, sir അല്ലായിരുന്നുവെങ്കിൽ I would not be the cricketer. ഞാൻ ഇന്നായിത്തീർന്ന ഒരു ക്രിക്കറ്റർ ആകുമായിരുന്നില്ല. I would not be the cricketer I turned out to be. He was a strict disciplinarian and did everything he could for me. അദ്ദേഹത്തെ കൊണ്ട് കഴിയുന്ന മൊത്തം fall I owe myself for him. Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, so this was the story, or this was the trouble that Sachin Tendulkar had experienced in his day-to-day life. So I hope you have understood the story or understood the part very well, and let us wind up now. We will see you again. So there is a small homework for you today. What was that? From question number 13, 14, 15, 16. 4 questions you should write in your notebook, and all of you write. It should be in your notebook. I hope you have already written question number 12 from 13, 14, 15 and 16. Page number 23, 24 and 25. Hope you have enjoyed. Thank you. Have a nice day. Till see you again.